The book of Genesis. The next one is.
Genesis, Matthew.
I want me to blow you. What is your name, sir?
My name is Michael.
Oh, Mr. Michael. That's Mr. Michael. Hey, Mr. Michael, don't pack my money. Okay, now we move. I will give you a book of the Bible. You tell me the one that you get 5 questions correct, you are going to get 1,000 naira. Should we quickly roll it?
Yes.
All right. Now the book comes after Matthew.
Matthew. Look.
Okay. You are not correct. Which book comes after John?
Mark.
You are not correct. You are mixing them all together. Which book comes after Romans? You are mixing them all together. Which book comes after Second Corinthians?
Revelation.
At least you are attempting. You are attempting the questions. You didn't get any of them. So I'm giving you 500 naira. Have I tried? You didn't get any of my question now. Have I tried? I just know that one. Oh my goodness, you didn't get it. Okay. How many books are in the Old Testament?
We have
22? No. How many books are in the New Testament?
Mama POS. Maybe 12.
12. I want to give you money, but you didn't get it. Let me see, give you 500 naira. We have 39 books in the Old Testament. We have 27 books in the New Testament. The books, all the books in the Bible, there are 66 in numbers. And the book after Matthew is Mark. After Mark is Luke. After Luke is John. After John is Acts of Apostles. After Apostles, it is Romans. Let's listen that now.